The AmScope M620C LED digital microscope offers a wide magnification range that comfortably covers everything from basic cell structure to more detailed microbial work for students and hobbyists. Its monocular head is angled for relaxed viewing and can rotate fully, which makes it easy to share the image with others around a lab bench or classroom table. The solid metal frame and three-dimensional mechanical stage give the microscope a very stable feel and allow precise slide positioning without constant manual nudging. Coarse and fine focus knobs work smoothly together, making it straightforward to snap quickly into focus and then refine details without overshooting. An Abbe condenser with an adjustable diaphragm and optional color filters lets users tune contrast and brightness for clearer views of transparent specimens. The built-in light-emitting diode illumination is bright, evenly distributed, and dimmable, so you can work comfortably for long sessions without the heat and glare of older lamp designs.